Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of best new add-ons that are guaranteed to save 3D artists tons of precious time. First on the list is for animators. Anim Favorites. Anim Favorites focuses on reducing repetitive editor work. If you've ever found yourself typing the same filter strings into the graph editor or dope sheet over and over, this tool solves that. It allows you to save filter setups as clickable presets directly in the editor header. You can instantly reapply them, switch between local and global presets, and customize behaviors like extending filters, inverting selections, or isolating channels. It doesn't touch your rigs or animation data. It only manages visibility and filtering, which means it's safe to use even if you are working on production projects. Next one is Artistic Filter. Artistic Filter instantly turn your 3D renders into traditional masterpieces. Watercolor, stylized, and sketch, everything happens in the compositor. A customizable procedural paint filter for an organic textured feel. Procedural mask with irregular edges to focus on your subject. And a lot more, and most importantly, this tool offers non-destructive workflow. Modify your 3D scene, and the filter updates in real time within the compositor. Next is Lazy Atlas, a workflow-focused add-on for texture baking and atlas generation. Its goal is to make shader baking feel like a normal part of your workflow instead of a complicated ritual. It can bake procedural Blender materials into full PBR texture sets, pack multiple objects into a single optimized texture atlas, and handle full map outputs including base color, normal, roughness, metallic, emission, and more. The process is non-destructive, creating export-ready duplicates while keeping your original meshes untouched. If you already have PBR textures, you can group objects, choose tile settings, and generate atlas sheets automatically. This makes it extremely useful for game assets, real-time projects, and any pipeline where performance and texture optimization matter. Further next, we have Physical Fog Addon by the folks at Lazy3D. Physical Fog allow you to create cinematic volumetric fog in minutes. With auto domains, layered presets, dynamic physical volume interaction, and photorealistic scattering, all inside one clean workflow. From subtle haze to dense atmospheric depth in just a few clicks. You can add animated fog cards with flow maps, edge dissolve, and avoidance near geometry with over 49 presets. It's powered by geometry nodes and physical points. Objects can push through smoke and let it recover naturally. And by the way, there's also a new Lazy3D Mega-Bundle, which includes 18 professional add-ons from Lazy3D Store, valued at over $500, but available for just $240. So, if you're thinking of buying the bundle or any of the add-ons separately, I'll leave the links in the description below for your convenience. Now let's talk about BlenderKit. If you're looking for complete realistic scenes or assets for your VFX shots or simulations, BlenderKit gives you access to over 121,000 high-quality Blender assets, including 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. There's also a Blender add-on you can install, which supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find exactly what you need and download assets directly inside Blender. Plus, you can explore curated collections from experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. And if you use my link in the description, you'll get 10% off the Pro plan. Next up, we have Zombie Pack by the folks at Diffuse Studios. This pack includes a collection of 19 high-quality zombie models with clean topology, consistent scale, and production-ready assets. All characters are optimized for real use and can be easily integrated into cinematic shots, environments, or crowd setups. Walk and run animations are included to quickly add movement and life to your scenes. Each model also includes a color variation shader to subtly break repetition when using multiple instances. All characters are compatible with the Procedural Crowds add-on, allowing you to populate scenes with multiple characters quickly and efficiently. Ideal for creating zombie hordes, background movement, or large-scale scenes without manual placement. Next up, we have the Particles add-on, designed for adding ambient details like dust, sparks, embers, insects, confetti, and more. The setup is intentionally simple, but flexible enough to support different animation methods, including wind-driven motion, curve-based movement, and attraction-style setups. This add-on is available for only $1, and 100% of the profit goes to the Blender Development Fund, making it both extremely accessible and a great way to support Blender development. Next is World Conceptor, developed by 3D Vision, the creator of Pure Sky Pro. World Conceptor is a procedural world building and lighting system that lets you generate skies, atmospheres, clouds, fog, planets, and entire environments with just a few clicks. It includes multiple sky presets, cloud types, dynamic weather systems, light pollution simulation, global illumination controls, and even solar eclipse generation. Whether you're working on architectural scenes, landscapes, or cinematic shots, World Conceptor helps you achieve dramatic lighting and atmosphere without endless tweaking. It's optimized for cycles and designed to deliver fast, cinematic results. Further, we have Text Pro. Are you tired of messy topology, disconnected letters, and complex node setups? Text Pro is the all-in-one solution designed for motion graphics artists, logo designers, and game developers who demand speed and precision. Kickstart your project with an extensive library of professional presets. With a single click, apply complex combinations of shape, style, and animation. Manage multi-line text, alignment, and spacing with the intuitive control panel. Import any SVG or vector file and transform it into a 3D masterpiece instantly. Don't settle for blocky text. Use advanced bevel profiles to catch the light. Whether you need sharp, chiseled edges or soft organic curves, give your text that premium, finished look with a single slider. Forget the shader editor. Text Pro comes with a suite of smart materials that automatically adapt to your text geometry. From brushed metals and glowing neon to weathered grunge, give your text the texture it deserves instantly. Forget complex keyframing. Use Text Pro's procedural animation system to make your text pop, slide, glitch, or bounce. Animate by character, word, or line with simple sliders to create broadcast-quality motion graphics in minutes. Now, the next one is my favorite, Snapshot Addon. This add-on is an absolute game-changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With just one click, you can create a snapshot, which acts like a save point for your scene. Snapshots let you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's basically a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, Snapshot completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you definitely need this. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Next, we have the Realistic Coconut Tree Generator. It is a procedural geometry nodes generator for Blender that enables artists to generate fully customizable coconut trees. Easily create realistic coconut trees with full control over trunk shape, leaf density, coconut age, bunch variation, and overall tree structure using an optimized geometry node setup. It is perfect for tropical islands, beaches, villages, resorts, and nature scenes, helping you populate large environments quickly while maintaining high visual quality and performance. For those who want to make space scenes, we have Nabula Pro. It is a professional Blender add-on for managing high-quality EXR-based nebula and space environments. You get 18 unique nebula EXRs, plus a basic star field and binary black holes, all custom-made from scratch and up to 8K resolution, with no reused or stock imagery. Along with that, mapping and color grading settings are built right into the panel. Further, we have Morph+, a powerful VFX preset toolkit for Blender that makes complex animation effects ridiculously easy. With just a few clicks, you can create stunning reveals, smooth dissolves, dynamic particle effects, and a whole lot more. No complicated setups, no technical headaches. Morph+ is perfect for motion graphics, product and logo reveals, architectural visualizations, infographics, and basically any project where you want your animations to look clean, professional, and eye-catching. It comes packed with ready-to-use animation presets that automatically build the entire setup for you and even keyframe the animation between your chosen frames. Everything is designed to fit seamlessly into your existing Blender workflow, so you can focus more on creativity and less on troubleshooting. By bringing all your complex VFX controls into one clean, unified panel, Morph Plus dramatically speeds up your workflow and simplifies some of the most time-consuming parts of the animation process. Up next, the folks at Huge Menace have released early access to Select Pro, and this one is all about improving how selection works in Blender. Select Pro brings together Blender's scattered selection tools into a single unified menu, while also introducing smart automation and context-aware behavior. The add-on predicts which selection tools you're most likely to need based on your current mode, mesh topology, and scene data. Instead of hunting through endless menus, you get one centralized selection hub. Some of the included tools cover advanced workflows like contiguous edge path selection, boundary detection, similar surface identification, hierarchy-based selection, and more. It's especially useful for modeling and cleanup workflows, and since it's currently in early access, you can grab it at a discount. Further, we have Sdf Mixer. Sdf Mixer uses signed distance field techniques to dramatically improve Boolean operations. Instead of harsh intersections, you get smooth blends and rounded transitions between shapes. It works using geometry node setups on regular meshes, allowing you to create complex cuts and combinations with more organic and polished results than standard Booleans. It can get heavy if you push the resolution too high, but for advanced shape design and concept work, it's an incredibly powerful tool. Easy Scatter Pro is a new scattering system built around 5 main placement modes. You get precision placement for snapping and alignment, physics-based throw scattering, brush-driven circle scattering, fall-off gradients for smooth transitions, and billboard scattering for sprites and cards. On top of that, it introduces workflow-focused features like non-destructive mirroring, viewport performance optimization, session-based layers, and eraser and replacement modes. This makes it not just a scatter tool, but a full environment dressing system. And after installing all these add-ons, your in-panel can become cluttered, and that's where In-Panel Manager comes in. This add-on helps organize your in-panel by letting you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. You can group modeling tools under one tab, rendering tools under another, and fully customize your workflow layout. It also includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone juggling multiple workflows or complex projects, In-Panel Manager is a fantastic way to clean up and optimize Blender's interface. So yeah, tons of exciting new and useful tools right now. Be sure to check out the links in the description if any of these caught your interest, and let me know in the comments which one stood out to you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Blender content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.